there's no such thing as fearlessness, even though there are tons of t-shirts and rubber bracelets you can buy and people getting tattoos, fearlessness, and there's no such thing as fearlessness. There's always going to be fear. There's always going to be fear. And years ago, I read The Success Principles by Jack Canfield, and he talked about fear, doubt, and worry, and the fact that it's always going to be present. And the most important thing for you to do is act. And the example he gave is one I used with Lavana without the colorful language, but basically it's going to be present, right? So instead of trying to get rid of it, just invite it in, tell it to have a seat, and then get to work. The key is to take action. That's at the end of the day, preparation has two distinct levels. The people who are constantly researching and preparing, ready, aim, and then there are others that prepare just enough to be dangerous, and then you got to take a swing.